working across 91 branches and over 100,000 retail outlets. Havells today has a turnover of 1.3 billion US. We are the only electrical company with 17 product verticals and are present in the domestic, commercial and industrial segments. Power solutions is one of the most important product categories for Havells, which includes industrial switchgears, motors, cables, capacitors and lighting. Havells is the second largest manufacturer of cables in India. These cables are manufactured at the state-of-the-art Cables and Wires plant in Alwar. Equipped with the most advanced machinery and processes, Havells Cables plant is the largest integrated cables plant in India. The plant manufactures HT and LT flame retardant cables, flame retardant low smoke cables, power and control cables and insulated cables up to and including 66 kV grade. Havells is also capable of manufacturing fire survival cables and solar cables with TUV approvals. The manufacturing process starts with the procurement of the purest of raw materials from reputed suppliers. All incoming materials are subjected to a series of mechanical and electrical checks. The plant is capable of drawing wire from 8 mm to 1.6 mm. Consistency and resistance, tensile strength and size of the wire are ensured at all stages of the drawing process. The drawn wires are then stranded to achieve co-conductors as per specifications. Conductors are formed on sophisticated high-speed stranding machines and then compacted to ensure reduced AC losses. To ensure optimum performance, extensive focus is paid to the conductor's resistance and shape. For insulation, the unit is equipped with a state-of-the-art CCV extrusion line. The extrusion route with filtered air inlets and a positive air pressurized closed system ensures that the insulation process is completely free from any impurities and imperfections. Our Sikora Make X-section monitor imported from Germany is installed online to ensure absolute uniformity and control things. Insulation is followed by twisting and laying up of multi-core cables. Havells is one of the few companies across the world to possess such a huge drum twister and laying up machine, which ensure that no tangential stress is applied over the insulation. This mitigates the possibility of any shifting or migration of the insulating layers, which could otherwise result in air void formations. This not only prevents any chances of failure during the entire lifetime of the cable, but also allows Havells the flexibility to provide longer cable lengths that exhibit excellent and compact designs. The laid-up multi-core cables are then provided with an inner sheathing through computerized extrusion lines using PVC compounds. Havells is one of few companies to provide a layer of extruded PVC over the laid-up cores to hold the twisted cores in their circular form. The extrusion process also serves as an additional moisture barrier in case the outer sheath gets damaged, as water cannot travel radially up to the surface of the insulation. This is followed by the armoring process. Havells offers standardized armoring with aluminium or aluminium alloy wire strips for single core cables and steel wires and strips for multi-core cables. A uniform and perfect mass of zinc coating on the armor ensures a rust-free armor layer. It also offers protection to the armor in case of any external damage. The cables are then provided for the PVC polymer outer sheathing layer through the latest sheathing machines. Havells is again one of few companies that manufactures the PVC in-house rather than outsourcing it from vendors. This ensures better quality control and improves the flame retardant quality of our cables. Ever since its inception, Havells India has emphasized on product quality by demonstrating quality evaluation for cables at international level, by obtaining NABL accreditation for testing facilities and DSIR recognized technology center at Cable Division in Alwar, Rajasthan. There are more than 30 various test parameters: physical, mechanical, electrical, thermal, chemical and fire that different components of cables have to pass before being certified. And that surely puts into perspective for you Havells' claims of unmatched quality of its cables. The plant also has a modern test lab with the latest validation and testing equipment. Every cable that is manufactured at the plant is tested for higher conductivity, flame resistance, oxygen index, smoke density, durability, tensile properties and thermal stability. Havells wires and flexible cables are packed with safe, moisture-free and good-looking packing to deliver the material in good condition to its esteemed customers. Multi-core flexible cables are twisted and sheathed with white PVC granules to obtain the final product. The white flexible cable is coiled on modern coiling machines with length measuring units. Each coil is packed with suitable label and shrink wrapped with polyethylene layer for safe and moisture-free binding. The PVC insulation is done in double layer process. First layer with virgin PVC of insulation and outer layer which is very thin and commonly called skin with color PVC. It is done to avoid the adverse effect of color pigment on insulation resistance value of PVC, as the virgin PVC insulation has very good insulation resistance. Havells cables are the first to get the BASEC certification in India amongst many other certifications. Today, Havells cables have become synonymous with superior quality and safety.